Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make carne asada with cilantro lime sauce. And this carne asada has tender skirt steak or flat meat marinated with bold flavors. And the cilantro lime sauce, it's creamy, it's zesty, and you are going to want to put it on everything. Okay, so first things first, I just love carne asada. And every time I go to a Mexican restaurant, 10 times out of 10, I will order something with carne asada in it. And I feel like I just proved myself right this month. We went out to eat at a Mexican restaurant like at least 3 times. And the first time I ordered carne asada nachos. The second time my husband and I split a carne asada burrito. And the last time I went with some of my cousins, we went to a brunch and I ordered huevos rancheros with carne asada. So you best believe I love carne asada. Okay, so I think I found the perfect marinade, the perfect balance of citrus and all the seasonings that makes this carne asada the best. And I did go ahead and marinate it the night before, last night, just because I wanted it nice and ready for this video, but I'm going to tell you exactly what I put in it. So I have 2 pounds of skirt steak or flat meat. Well, this is skirt steak. And then I went ahead and I put all of the ingredients of the marinade in the bowl. I like to mix it first and then add it to the steak so that the seasonings are nice and distributed. So what I did was I have the juice of 1 orange. Well, you want a 1/3 cup of orange juice, and this is kind of weird. Usually the orange is bigger than the lemon, but in this case, I bought this from the store and it's small, and this is for my backyard and it's huge. So I needed about a 1/3 cup. So I use about 1 and 1/2 orange. So typically if you get a large orange, then 1 orange should be fine. And then you're gonna need about 3 tablespoons of 1 lemon, and a regular lemon that you buy at the grocery store is usually 3 tablespoons. They're not gigantic like this one. And then you're gonna need 1/4 cup of olive oil, and then you're gonna need 2 teaspoons of chili powder. You're gonna need 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, and then 1 teaspoon of pepper. And then you're just gonna mix everything up and then pour it into your bowl with the steak, mix it around and let it marinate for at least 4 hours and then up to, overnight. So I like to usually do this overnight so the flavors are just like really in there. But yeah, 4 hours is fine if you're pressed on time. So we are going to grill this. I am just really enjoying grilling season. I think I'm holding on to summer for dear life. I love the longer days. My kids like going to the beach and the park, and yes, so I'm just really enjoying grilling season. So we are gonna grill this today. And of course you can make this year round. I mean, we do have a patio out back. If it rains, we could always grill outside, but you could always cook this on a grill pan. So my husband is home today and I'm gonna actually let him do the work since I did all the marinating and I'm gonna do the sauce. So he's gonna go ahead and grill this. It is such a beautiful day today, and since my hubby is home today, I'm going to put him to work and he's gonna go ahead and grill the carne asada for us, right?
Of course.
All right, so Dennis has the grill on high heat. Just gonna go ahead and place the carne asada onto the grill. And I think I've mentioned to you guys over and over, skirt steak is one of my favorite meats to work with. When you marinate it and you cut it against the grain, it comes out nice and tender. All right, so how long are you gonna cook this?
Before you 5 minutes a side.
About 5 minutes per side, okay. All right, so it's been about 5 minutes and now we are ready to go ahead and flip the steak over. And look at those grill marks. That's what I love about grilling. You just have those like perfect grill marks. Makes the steak so flavorful. My son, who is a steak lover, is gonna be so excited when he gets home. He spent the night at his grandparents' house and he's gonna come home to a treat. So now I'm gonna show you guys how to make this cilantro lime sauce. And I just really love this sauce. It's tangy, it's tart, it's creamy, it's savory. And you could use this in a lot of other dishes other than carne asada. So what makes it creamy is the mayo. So we're going to need 2/3 cup of mayo. And I'm just gonna add this to my food processor. All right, and then I'm gonna need 1 cup of cilantro. So that's basically 1 bunch. And I'm just gonna go ahead and trim some of the stems here. Go ahead and place that into my food processor. And then I'm gonna need 1 garlic clove and 2 tablespoons of lime juice, which is basically the juice of 1 lime. Very, very simple ingredients here. This sauce is just super easy to make. All right, let's go ahead and cover it up. And just blend away. All right, let's check it out. Okay, look you guys, nice and creamy. All right, let's give it a taste. I could just drink it up. This combined with the carne asada, it's just gonna take the recipe over the top. And there you have it, you guys. The best carne asada with cilantro lime sauce. And this is a restaurant quality recipe minus the restaurant price. All right, you guys, it is time for my favorite part of the video, the taste test. Are you excited?
Yeah.
All right. Got your slice there. Wait, we need to dip first.
Dip first.
All right, now we cheers. Cheers.
Oh, snaps. So
super
good.
tender. The steak is super tender and the seasonings are on point. It's so delicious. And the cilantro lime sauce, it's so creamy. It's zesty. It just, like I mentioned earlier, it puts this recipe over the top. Go ahead and make it, you guys. You won't regret it. It's so delicious, right?
Kiss the cook. Yum. So good.
Thank you for spending time with me in my kitchen. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you make this recipe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh, don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you guys on the next one. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.